It's not always black and white or well-defined. When God paints, sometimes I take for granted the simple things. I can be his biggest critic when it starts to rain. There's always a bigger picture I can't explain. When God paints, we dance. And I reach across the canvas and I take your hand. And my world is so complete when I look at you. A masterpiece is